Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson we will continue with the present continuous tense, the negative and the positive question forms. As you see on the chart, the continuous tense suffix is iyor, iyor, uyor, or iyor, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. And the question suffix is either mu or m. On the right, you can see the personal pronouns and the personal pronoun suffixes. And also, in some cases, we are going to need the buffer letter ya. If you don't know the buffer letters, please first watch the lessons about buffer letter. Okay, let's start with an example. Am I writing? This is the question sentence I want. And the positive sentence is I am writing. So first of all, I'm going to write the positive sentence. And after that, I'm going to add the question suffix to the end. Okay. Person pronoun I, ben. Write, yaz. Writing, yazıyor. To make a positive sentence, at this point I need to add the person pronoun suffix and the sentence becomes ben yazıyorum. But this is a question sentence, so at this point I will leave a space and add the question suffix ben yazıyor mu, and in the end of the sentence I'm going to write the person pronoun suffix But be careful, the question suffix mu ends with a vowel mu, and the person pronoun suffix starts with a vowel, another u. So two vowels are coming together. But according to Turkish grammar rules, two vowels shouldn't be together. So I need a buffer letter here. Yeah. So the sentence is ben yazıyor muyum? Am I writing? Ben yazıyor muyum? Okay. Let's make another one. Are you joining? This is the sentence I want. And the positive sentence is you are joining. Join is katıl in Turkish. So let's write the positive sentence first. The personal pronoun you, sen. Join, katıl. Joining, katılıyor. Now I'm going to leave a space and add the question suffix sen katılıyor mu? And lastly, to the end of the sentence, personal pronoun suffix for you, sun. Sen katılıyor musun? Are you joining? Sen katılıyor musun? Okay, let's make another one. Is he getting married? This is the question sentence I want. And the positive sentence is he is getting married. Get married is evlen in Turkish. Let's write the positive sentence. He o get married, evlen. Getting married, evleniyor. And the question suffix mu. There is no personal pronoun suffix for o, so that's the sentence. O evleniyor mu? Is he getting married? O evleniyor mu? Let's continue with the plural ones. Are we looking? This is the question sentence I want. And the positive sentence is we are looking. Look is bak in Turkish. Let's write the positive sentence first. We, biz, look, bak, looking, bakıyor. And the question suffix, bakıyor mu? And the personal pronoun suffix, be careful, is uz. As you see, two vowels are coming together, so we need a buffer letter between them. Yus. Biz bakıyor muyuz? Are we looking? Biz bakıyor muyuz? Okay, let's make another one. Are you joining? The plural form. You are joining is the positive sentence. Join is katıl in Turkish. Let's write the positive sentence. You plural, siz. Join, katıl. Joining, katılıyor. And the question suffix, mu. And in the end, person pronoun suffix, sunuz. Siz katılıyor musunuz? Are you joining? Siz katılıyor musunuz? And the last one, are they laughing? This is the question sentence. They are laughing is the positive version. And laugh is gül. Let's write the positive first. They, onlar. Laugh, gül. Laughing, gülüyor. Now be careful. Normally, as you see, the personal pronoun suffix goes to the end, but only for the personal pronoun they, we write the personal pronoun suffix here. Onlar gülüyorlar. So this is a full sentence. They are laughing. And after that, I'm adding the question suffix. And this time it is not mu, it is m because of four-way vowel harmony. The last vowel of gülüyorlar is a. So it has to continue with I. That's why mu alternates itself to m. Onlar gülüyorlar mı? Are they laughing? Onlar gülüyorlar mı? Okay. How about the negative questions? Let's take a look at an example. Am I not asking? This is the negative question sentence I want. And the negative sentence is I am not asking. Ask is sor in Turkish. Let's write the negative sentence first. Ben, ask, sor. Now I'm going to add the negative suffix. And after that, continuous tense suffix. Ben sormuyor. I'm going to leave the space and question suffix. And in the end, personal pronoun suffix. But as you see, two vowels are coming together. I need the buffer letter ya. Ben sormuyor muyum? Am I not asking? Ben sormuyor muyum? Okay. Another one. Aren't you speaking? This is the negative question sentence I want. And the negative sentence is you are not speaking. Speak is konuş. Let's write the negative sentence first. You, sen, speak, konuş, negative suffix, continuous tense suffix, and after that, question suffix, and in the end, personal pronoun suffix. Sen konuşmuyor musun? Aren't you speaking? Sen konuşmuyor musun? Another one. Isn't he running? This is the question sentence, negative question sentence, and the negative sentence is he is not running, and run is koş. Let's write the negative sentence. He, o, run, koş, negative, and the continuous tense suffix, and the question suffix. There is no personal pronoun suffix for o, so this is the sentence. O koşmuyor mu? Isn't he running? O koşmuyor mu? Let's continue with the plural ones. Aren't we writing? This is the negative question sentence I want. And the negative sentence is we are not writing. Write is yaz in Turkish. Okay, let's write the negative sentence. Biz, write, yaz. Negative suffix, continuous tense suffix, and after that, question suffix, and to the end of the sentence, personal pronoun suffix. But as you see, there are two vowels together. I need a buffer letter between them. Yeah. Biz yazmıyor muyuz? Aren't we writing? Biz yazmıyor muyuz? Another one. Aren't you joining? This is the question sentence. And the negative sentence is you are not joining. Join is katıl. Let's write the negative sentence first. You, siz, join, katıl, negative suffix, continuous tense suffix, and after that, question suffix, and the personal pronoun suffix always to the end. Siz katılmıyor musunuz? Aren't you joining? Siz katılmıyor musunuz? And lastly, aren't they getting married? This is the negative question sentence I want. They are not getting married. This is the negative sentence. Get married is evlen in Turkish. Let's write the negative sentence first. They, onlar. Get married, evlen. Negative suffix, continuous tense suffix, but be careful for they, only for they, we write the personal pronoun suffix now, and after that, we end the question suffix. And question suffix alternates itself to mu because of four-way vowel harmony. So the sentence is onlar evlenmiyorlar mı? Aren't they getting married? Onlar evlenmiyorlar mı? To make positive and negative sentences, question sentences, is that easy in Turkish. But be careful for the person pronoun I and for the personal pronoun we are going to need a buffer letter between two vowels. And also for the person pronoun they, we write the person pronoun suffix after the verb, to the end of the verb. But in other cases, we write the person pronoun suffixes after the question suffix. All right, if you have any questions about the negative and positive question sentences, our present continuous tense, please write in comment section. Hope to see you in our following lessons. For now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.